Hello guys, this is the video of the puff cold sleeve I made with elastic. So let's dive right into the video of how it's been done. Thank you. Okay, to cut the sleeve now, this is what we are going to do. We'll get our pattern, the one we drafted, whether on your paper or direct to the fabric. But this is it here. I already folded a material, the Ankara, into two. So we are having 1 2 separate and another one. So I will join it together like this. Make sure they all align with each other. Okay, so when you're sewing, you're not going to have issues. So then, how deep you want the opening to be, you take it there. Me, I want my own to be 3.5. The opening, I want it to be 3.5. I'll place it on it like this. So I'll just rule it straight. I'll just rule the curve, following it like this. From this place, the opening I want, understand me, from this opening, I'll just rule the curve like this. Then I'll take it out. I'll take this one out. So from this place now, you know, we're going to put an elastic band here. We're going to fold this up with the elastic band and then the down with the elastic band. So I will measure 1.5 upward that will fold. When I fold it, it will meet here. Then that's where the elastic band will be. You can use 1 inch, you can use 1.5 inches, depending on how you're going to be folding it. Most people just use 1 inch. So by the time they just fold like this, then it would still meet here. But me, I'm going to use 1.5 inches upward. So I'll just connect it this way. You do it this way. This is where you are joining it. You take it this way, curve it this way. So by the time you are folding it, you fold it down, you put your elastic band here. So what I will just do now is to rule a straight line from here to this place. You can use a ruler, but there's a pattern guiding me already, so that's why I just followed it. I cross check. So the total length now we have is 13.5. 13.5. You see, they are correct. So and then the shoulder, the armhole, the part that will be exposed, I'll use it. Look at where I notched it. So I'll pipe it from here this way like this. I'll use the bias to turn here like this. So after doing that, I will take this hand now to the machine, to the sewing machine. I'm going to fold, get one like this. I'm going to fold this one. I'm going to fold this one. This is the front, this is the back. I'm going to fold it this way. Fold it this way, like this, making sure I get to this part. Fold it this way. After folding it this way, I'll put in my elastic inside. Do the same thing to this part too. I'll turn it, fold it this way, run a straight stitches, and then I'll put in my elastic inside. By the time I'm done, I'll repeat the same thing on this other hand. By the time I'm done with it, I will show you how I will attach the sleeve to the upper bodies. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna head to sew the material to the place I will be stopping. From here, I'll be adding the sleeve. So this is the sleeve. Just as I showed you, I joined the up and the down, and then I added elastic to it. So the upper elastic. So we'll turn it to the right side. So this is what we are going to do now. We're going to take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew it like this. First of all, we'll place it where we measured it. It's down. So this is where my 3 will be. This is what I will do. We'll place your sleeve this way. This place now, you pin it like this. About, I'll take this part now to the machine. I will sew it there, and then our sleeve is ready. So you can see the sleeve is already out. I'll take that part now to the machine. I will join it. See this sleeve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely tutorials from Gracious Trends. Thank you.
Sew it round. This is it. See how beautiful it's looking. Yeah.